As a serial procrastinator, I thought I'd invest in some timer cubes or Miracle Time Cube. I got these on Amazon for $20 Canadian. They're a bit like kitchen timers. You set a time, so you turn it on the bottom, switch it on, and then you choose which time you want to put it on. And if you put it there, which is face up, it's on a minute. So when that goes off, which you will do in a bit, you'll hear what it sounds like, but it goes off after, you can let it go and it'll go off after 10 minutes. So basically I'm a serial procrastinator, and I read Ali Abdaal's Feel Good Productivity book recently, and he said that setting a timer for 5 minutes for something you've been putting off, that when you've done the 5 minutes, you walk away and you say, right, I've done that. Or if you're feeling like you could go on, then just carry on with your work. It's just a way of getting you to get back to something that you've been putting off. So that's why I invested in a cube, because using your phone, you can pick that up, turn the time off or set it, and then, oh, I've got a, oh, there it goes. That's what it sounds like. And then you just turn it over and it goes off. So as I was saying, yeah, you can put a timer on your phone, and then it will go off after 5 minutes or half an hour, however long you set it for. And then you start playing around on your phone, looking at notifications from Instagram or what have you. So I thought the best way to stay away from the phone, which adds to procrastination, I would buy these time cubes. Also, there's this thing called Parkinsons Law. It's the idea that your work will expand to fill the time allotted for its completion. So say I wanted to film a YouTube video today, and I decided, right, I'm going to do it and today, and I've got the whole day to do it. I will take the whole day. Whereas if you set your timer and say, okay, I want this done by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and just set a 60-minute timer, do 60 minutes, have a rest for 10, 15 minutes, coffee or whatever, and then set it again. And then by the time it gets to 2 o'clock, you've probably completed the task. The same is true for if you've got a looming deadline for university or college, and it's a specific date. Like I did a university project back in the day, and it had to be in, and I had 2 months to complete this task. And the night before I did an all-nighter and stayed there the whole night to get it done. That's how we work. We'll always fit the job into that specific time, knowing that we've got that deadline. We will do it right up to that time. So I thought buying these would help with, speeding things up. I've got to turn that off. Okay, so I hope this video helps. I know it's just a tiny video about time cubes. It's nothing interesting, but tiny things like this, going back to basics, can really help you. And also, I don't know if you've seen my other video, which is I built a planner for the year. That's another way of trying to beat procrastination, because if you don't set a deadline in the future for things you want to work towards, then you'll just mope on by, just doing your projects and just with no deadlines or anything like that, then time just disappears. So check that one out if you're interested, and thanks for watching.